This is Michelle, and I'm coming to you today to share a unpackaging video. A few weeks ago, I was approached in an email from Lisa at BeeBee Crafts about crafting with some of their products. So once I had a chance to shop in their online store, I picked out a few things and they shipped it to me. I received it in the mail on Saturday. BeeBee Crafts, if you're not familiar with it, is an online craft store that carries a great variety of products, anything from sewing and jewelry making. There's also, general crafts and things of that nature. Below in the links, I will leave the link to their store, as well as the links to the products that I had picked out to work with. So I'd already cut the plastic on both the inner package and the outer package, but I haven't yet opened the package. So here we go. That's everything there. Right here. Oh, goody. I went with a lot of a selection, not a lot, but a selection lot of jewelry making supplies, because lately I've been getting back into my jewelry making and thought I'd pick out a few things from their jewelry department. So what I have here is some of their Cabochon pendants and some of the rings. I ordered just the plain, get it open, it's wrapped really well. I liked this because of the variety of metals that they have, because I love mixing metals in my jewelry making. So what I have here is the Cabochons, which are, let's see, I don't remember the exact milliliter, but this is one box. And as you see in the packaging, we have a variety of metals to choose from. We have brass and we have like a pewter silver. Oh, these are very lightweight. So these are going to be perfect, to add little images to, or dried flowers. You could do inking or painting even on them. So let's see what I can get into with those. And I chose this collection because it also came with their own glass stones, Cabochon covers, that fits over the domes. There's that. I also picked out some of the brass Cabochon rings. These make beautiful little rings. I like the vintage style of these actual ring settings, as you can see. There we go. Very nice. And then it has an adjustable back. And these two came with their own glass domes. And I picked out these beautiful, for some reason this year I'm very into the pastels, which is so unlike me. But I thought this would make a lovely necklace, perhaps to hang one of the pendants on once I get it done. And I can add some elements for my personal stash to it as well. And then we have, I was just amazed at this. This here, if you're a jewelry maker, you know how quickly you go through your findings. And I go through head pins, or just eye pins and head pins like they're nothing. A little eager here, I'm going to rip my box. There we go. Oh, and it comes in its nice little container too. So what I've ordered is the metal variety of eye pins. I have gold, and there's silver, there's a dark silver, there's copper, there's brass, And there's a gunmetal. And I also love to mix my metals when I create. I'm not real sure on the size of those. So we have the quantities here. Like I said, I will leave the links to these items as well down below in the description box. Stay tuned because I will be creating some lovely projects and making videos of the process as I go, and I will share them with you. And I just want to thank you for stopping by today. See you again real soon. Bye.